I have many goals for the new year, but needed more clarity on how I can achieve these goals. So I tapped into the I Ching oracles for inner wisdom and guidance. The spread clearly showed that I had some blocked energies, so I meditated on what I can do to release these energetic blocks. And one clear message I received is to declutter and organize the space in my home. As the universe, including our lives, is dependent on the life force energy, what the Chinese call the qi, we attract great things in our lives when that energy flows within us and around us. In Feng Shui, which is all about flowing energy through physical space and objects, we can block our ability to manifest prosperity in health, money, career, or relationships if our space is energetically blocked. So while my home is generally clean, the one room that I have always struggled to keep organized is my office. My desktop is cluttered with equipment, cables, paperwork, among other things. My desk drawers are messy, and even my office closet needs reorganizing, so I decided to work on the office to flow that chi energy. Sometimes we get overwhelmed by the prospect of decluttering and organizing, especially when there's too much to do. So I decided to start by decluttering something small like the top of the desk. And once I was able to accomplish that, then it was so much easier to move on to other areas in my office. The secret to decluttering is to recycle or throw away anything that you are no longer using or it's too old to be used. After you throw away or recycle things, then you can start to organize. Once I decluttered the top of my desk, I felt a sense of accomplishment and it motivated me to organize my desk drawer. So I highly recommend starting with the smallest thing before you move on to the bigger projects. So take it one step at a time. Now that my office is organized, I feel so much better and lighter. And by doing this, I know that I am flowing the energy for manifesting my goals this year. Wishing you and your family so much love and prosperity in the new year, and may you create the energetic space in your home to attract beautiful things into your life. Namaste.